Finally, the on-device AI is here. I am a guy who thinks that the browser will be the new operating system, and this is just the start. You can now access AI models directly from your browser, and the cool part is it can even work without internet. The main reason Chrome developers brought this into action is that previously we needed to rely on server-side solutions for large models, but on-device and hybrid approaches have some fair advantages. Since these models are not shared across websites, each site had to download them on page load. That's like downloading megabytes or gigabytes of data. Now everything is built just directly into the browser, and it's just a function call away. Even some guys at Twitter made some cool examples of using this, and damn, it can bring a lot of new things. To get this thing up and running, you have to follow a series of steps. First, you have to have the Chrome Canary version or the dev version to access it. The normal Chrome doesn't have this feature. Type Chrome flags in the URL bar and press enter. There you need to search for the prompt API for Gemini Nano option and set the value to enabled. Scroll down to the next item, enable optimization guide on the device. This time you want to enable it but with the enabled bypass perf requirement option. The last step is to install Gemini Nano on your device. Head to Chrome components. You will see an optimization guide on device models. Click check for updates and it will install the file. Now you can restart your browser and start seeing the magic. Type in await window.ai.can create text session. If it displays readily, you are good to go. If it doesn't, just check the previous steps and do it once again. Although there is no pretty good documentation, there are just few functions. Just one command is all you needed to get started. Const session equal to await window.ai.create text session. For sending a prompt, you can use the prompt function. Everything is an async function, so don't forget to use async and await. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and your hardware, this can take anywhere from few milliseconds to several seconds. But you should eventually see an undefined in the console once it is done. Now we just have to console the result and boom, you got your result back. Since we are developers and we just need abstraction, you can create your own functions on top of this. Something like this function can save you a lot of time. So what you have to do is call the Chrome GPT with the prompt and it will give you a result. Although the Gemini Nano is not as powerful compared to ChatGPT or Cloud, it is still good for small use cases. This seems like a good idea for developers as you can get access to AI within your browser itself. It opens a wide range of new things that can be cool and fast. But of course, this is so cool and let's wait and see for some cool browser-based AI projects that will come. I will leave the link in the description so that you can read more about this.